Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl ChineyK and welcome to today's daily vlog. Now, most of you might know that I have a cat. Her name is Wiggles. It's my stray cat I found when she was like this tiny, legit. And I didn't want to get Wiggles sprayed because I was like, oh my god, why would you want to get her sprayed? That's so sad. You want her to experience the joy of having kids and everything. Until now, the neighbor was like, oh, I think Wiggles is pregnant. I was like, no, she's not pregnant. Totally not. She's not even a year old yet. Is she out there taking penis? Like, seriously? Anyways, I cannot afford to be a grandmother right now and take care of kittens because I travel too much. And my dad is like, if Wiggles breed, I'm gonna put her out. So, yeah, I decided today I'll take you on an adventure. I'm gonna take Wiggles to JSPCA to see if she's in fact pregnant. Now, it took me 3 tries to get Wiggles in the car just now. 3. Here's Wiggles. I think she is a little scared, if not very scared right now. I almost said 3 try, I mean 3 try. I even had a leash. She came out of the leash and everything. Oh my god. So the entire car is about to be very hairy. But Wiggles, we're going to JSPCA, baby. So let's go. So I'm at a light right now by Hillcrest Avenue, and literally Wiggles has not moved. Look at her. She has not moved. Look, the car is moving and she has not moved. Oh, my Wiggles. She's just like laying there. I don't know if she's scared or what. Look at her. Aw, Wiggles. Aw.
Day 2.
All right, so good morning. Yeah, so I was in a different wig and everything. See, what happened was, on my way to JSPCA, it was Friday, and I didn't even check to see if they were open. And apparently on Friday they have shorter hours, so them did close like 2:30. And by the time I was on my way to JSPCA, it was like 4 o'clock, so they were been already closed. But usually they close at 6. So today, albeit and everything again, just picked up back Wiggles, and we are heading to JSPCA, right Wiggles? If she doesn't scratch out my face and everything. So right now we're heading there. So the journey continues to see if Wiggles is pregnant. Let's go. So I'm almost at JSPCA. GPS says 1 minute. And now I'm thinking, if yesterday it took me 3 times to get Wiggles in the car, today it took me once. She was fine. I'm wondering if she's gonna freak out because the collar is not it's like a clip-on collar, but it can't come off. And if she wiggles the right way, it's gonna bust off and Wiggles is gonna be lost in like Kingston forever. So I'm sitting here while I'm driving like, what the hell do I do? Do I go inside first and ask for like a crate or something? Or do I just put my little Wiggles in my hand? Or do I just put my little Wiggles in my hand and she'll be fine? Look at her. Oh yeah, you like that? You like that? Oh, you like that? Look at her. She loves being touched when she's like ready. So yeah, I'm thinking like it might be best to get a crate just in case. Pulling in now. I need to survey the scene first just to make sure that, how the hell am I gonna bring her in? Shit. I don't even know what the hell. Hold on, let me find out. Hi, good evening. To bring in a pet, where do you bring them? This way or like up here? Just right here? Okay, thanks. Alright, so I'm see the people them have a crate or whatever, so I need to find out if they have a crate or a box or something, because Wiggles, she have our freedom. It's not like foreign cat, our dog, so she will run away. So look at her. time to see if you've been having sex and breeding. Okay? Okay. Let's figure this out. Hold on.
A few moments later.
Alright, so made it inside JSPCA, I guess, or lobby, I guess. So we registered Wiggles and everything, and I was like, you know what, she's gonna freak out. So I got a basket. So Wiggles, say hi, Wiggles. Can you see her? She's in the basket. Oh, maybe we can see it this way. Hold on. Here she is. So Wiggles is in a basket because, you know, new environment and thing. And when I went to register, she's like, what's the name of the cat? I said Wiggles. Here, the lady, you and Wiggles on Instagram. So Wiggles is pretty popular. Oh my god, hi Wiggles. So register and everything, so just waiting to see if Wiggles is pregnant. She's like freaking out, right? Okay. Oh my god, I feel so bad. She's like wondering like what is going on here. Oh my god, you're taking my Wiggles. Thanks. Thank you.
Check if she's pregnant.
Yeah, I just want to check if she's pregnant. Oh my god.
Get her and talk to her.
Hey Wiggles. Jesus Wiggles. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Check.
So now the doctor is here to see if Wiggles is pregnant.
Alright, so how old is Wiggles?
Huh?
How old is Wiggles?
I'm not sure. I found her in June when she was like tiny. Like I'd use a nipple bottle.
2019, right?
Yeah.
Come here, Wiggles.
Oh my god. Not mommy want kittens. I'm not sure if I do want kittens. Oh, the anxiety is killing me.
Yeah.
She's pregnant.
Yeah. So if you actually put your hand here, we'll feel some balls. Squeeze a little.
I don't know.
Yeah. So usually now, for instance, this would be your uterus.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what happens now when they get pregnant, you start to get these little balls forming along the uterus area. So this is where the fetus will develop. So cats, they can have about 3, 4, 5 kittens. Definitely pregnant.
She's definitely. Oh my god, she's definitely pregnant.
So the pregnancy usually lasts about 2 months. Alright, so based on how they develop right now, we have a couple more weeks to go. But she's definitely going to get much bigger.
She's gonna get bigger than this?
Yeah, man. The tummy is gonna get bigger. Wiggles, come here. But you notice it's getting bigger already, right?
I couldn't tell. I'm not sure. I don't know. Come here, Wiggles.
So you wanted kittens?
Not really. I don't know. Daddy told me to spade her, but I was like, no, I'm too scared. I want her to have kids first, but then I don't have the time. I travel too much to take care of her.
This set of kittens, I would then recommend you spay her because it can breed quite often.
Okay.
Yeah.
How old is she? About how old do you think
So
she is?
if you had her from June 2019 and you were feeding her with a nipple, then that's as a kitten, but she's definitely not a year old yet. So I wouldn't have even recommend her breeding because it's like teenage pregnancy.
Oh my god. I didn't tell her to go breed the cat.
Yeah, the male cat. Yeah, and that's the thing. The male cats will actually let them go into heat, force them to get into heat. Come, Miss Wiggles. So have you done any deworming and stuff since you've had her?
I haven't done anything with her since I've had her.
Okay. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna give her some vitamins as well, and just continue to feed her regular cat food and stuff.
Right.
Alright, most likely she'll be a fine mom, but after that I'll recommend you neuter her if you don't want any more kittens.
Okay.
Alright. Wiggles. Wiggles. Who's coming up?
Let me see. Oh my gosh, the nipples, I didn't even see those. Oh yeah, those nipples are, oh my dad's gonna kill me. He is gonna kill me.
deworming, heartworm prevention, and this is for clear things.
Okay. Is that like a needle?
Hold on.
My anxiety. This thing right here, right?
No, I'm not ready to get.
Oh, not ready. Just hold it. Okay.
It's a hard one. The hardest part is with cats.
What is that one?
To deworm. It's the hardest part. So I just get it first. Don't ask me. So I'm going to say before the vitamin shot. Hold on tight. Push that. Heartworm prevention.
God.
Girl, girl.
What kind of prevention?
Heartworm.
Oh, heartworm. So that won't harm my grandkids?
No, heartworm is more serious thing than that. Because it's like actual worms in the heart.
Oh, so it means heartworm.
Yeah.
Oh, that's no bueno. So why does she look like that now? She's sad. Oh, Wiggles. She upset? So she's gonna crutch me again? Oh, I think Wiggles is upset. Oh, little attitude. All right, everyone. So as it turns out, as you heard, Wiggles is pregnant. What am I going to do? And I'm thinking, like, how the hell am I gonna tell my father that Wiggles is pregnant when he warned me to go get her neutered from that one time and my ears did on, and I was like, oh my God, Daddy, no. Yeah, so now she's pregnant and we have to deal with a belly. I'm not sure how he's gonna take the news, but we'll see. Remember I said it was the neighbor that first mentioned to me. I was like, oh my God, Wiggles is pregnant. I was like, no, she's not. I was like, let me go find out. And sure and behold, Wiggles is pregnant. So there you go. Wiggles is pregnant. So I guess you guys have to stay tuned for the next chapter of her life. Can't believe Wiggles breed before me. Oh my God, this is like crazy. I'm a grandma before I even like have my own human kids. It's so weird. But Wiggles is pregnant. Oh my God, now I gotta plan the baby shower and everything. I'm low-key excited. Stay tuned to the vlog. Stay tuned to my channel. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notifications so you can know when I post a new video. All right, bye.